Alright, so today marks the start of the mini Super Moto build. We're going to be starting with the Razor SX500 and building it from the ground up. Here's the hub after being painted. Now we're gonna put the spokes back in and get it all back together. As you can see, we got the painted wheel and the stock wheel all put together so you can see the difference. As you can see, we got both the wheels painted up. You gotta put the rotors back on right there. That's why it's not painted. So once I put the rotors on, you won't see the green. But our tires just came in, so let's go check those out. All right, so both tires are on, and now we're gonna do the final part, which is these spoke covers, but I won't bore you with that, so we'll just... Alright guys, so I got it all apart again, and basically I realized that these old batteries crap themselves. So I took that battery out of the drift shopping cart we've got. Since this thing's already down, put the battery in here and it should be good. Tested off-road. Alright, so that's all I've got for you guys today. If you're looking to buy any of the parts I used in this video, I'll leave Amazon links below. And I'll see you guys next time.